Hello, Mitofupa. So I'm going to show you how I made that soft banku to go with the okra stew I made for my husband on his birthday. So for this banku, I'm using corn dough and cassava dough. And I use 1 part corn dough to 1 part cassava dough. I find this combination to give a nice soft consistency. If you prefer a little bit harder, just reduce the amount of cassava dough in your banku mix. As the dough was quite lumpy, I had to press out all the lumps and to help it mix up once I add water. So here I added water and I mixed everything up using my hands to try and get everything into a nice smooth fluid consistency. Sometimes the dough has quite a bit of chaff and quite a bit of milled cassava in the dough, so it's always a good idea to press out all the lumps and then also strain your mixture. It's such a messy job, so it's a job for the sink. So the other tip I would like to give here is, if you don't know how much water to use, or just in case you are heavy-handed with the amount of water you're supposed to use, just let your mixture sit for some couple of minutes. All the dough will settle to the bottom and the water will be at the top, and then you can strain off the water like I did here. And all you need is just about ½ an inch of water on the top of your mixture to help you get a nice soft consistency. So I added some salt, though not shown here, to my banku mix, and I proceeded to heat it up. And with continuous stirring, once you start heating it up, you need to continuously stir it because it starts to thicken up and you don't want any lumps. So continuous stirring in one direction, clockwise direction I would say, until the whole mixture is nice and thick. So to ensure that the banku cooks properly, add a bit of water and cover it and let it steam for about 5 minutes, and it will cook through. Because I used a non-stick cooking pot, this banku does not stick to the sides of the pot. So to prevent it from mixing up with your nice soft banku, just clear it up with a spatula before going back in to mix up your banku. So the banku is ready when it changes color to an off-white kind of look. When you have a taste, it doesn't have any raw taste of the corn dough, then you know it is cooked and it is ready to be dished out. So this time round I decided to go the chop bar way. The chop bar way, as I can remember back in the day, was them using a flat, or like a saucer, flat thing to scoop out the banku and just dump it into your bowl. And it was just rough, and I find it really inviting. So yeah, for the birthday meal, and as we were going to eat it straight away, I just thought I'll go the chop bar style. All right. This is the chop bar style. We don't have time to to be making it into lovely shapes, but if you want to have a nice shape, have a look at my Tuozafi video. I showed how you can mold your banku or your tuo into a nice round shape, and in that way you can keep it for later and it looks nice and beautiful and very presentable. But the shishi version of the patron, yenisi. So yes, I served up my banku with my lovely okra stew, which you can also find the video up on the channel, and I have other okra stew videos also on the channel, so have a look. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification button. Share my channel with your friends, call them. Let's have a wonderful time cooking and eating Ghanaian food. Until next time, thank you for watching.